I request Dr. K.V. Ramanachari Garu, Media Advisor to Government of Telangana, to address the meeting.
On this day, we will remember our beloved friend, guide, philosopher, colleague, a great visionary and a PR personality, PR Bhishma of the then Andhra Pradesh, Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy. As a matter of fact, he has been a beacon light for several PR personalities. In various institutions, whosoever has been working as the PRO or PR manager, he has been the student or a disciple of Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy. Throughout his life, he has been fanning the mannerism, fanning the PRism, that is public relationship, among the public relations managers. In fact, this public relations education day is the result of his effect on the public relations in India. Throughout the country, he has been reckoned as one of the public relations managers, effective public relations managers. And this August, 6th August, we are celebrating 13th Public Relations Education Day. I also take this opportunity to congratulate Sri C. Ravindra Reddy, the son of Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy, for having founded CVN PR Foundation and being the secretary of that foundation. There are several sons, there are several children of the celebrities who have not been following this sort of attitude, whereas it is Ravindra Reddy who has been making all of us to remember his father, and he has been doing human service in making Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy alive among all of us. I take this opportunity to pay my respects to the Minister for Education, Savita Indra Reddy. At the same time, Professor K. Sitharama Rao, whom I know since my student life. And today, this function is being organized to honor the best teacher, best counselor, and certain meritorious students. Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy comes from a poor family, an agricultural family, but he has grown up to such an extent that in his name, the Public Relations Education Day is being organized and several students are being honored. Best Teacher Award is being given on this day, and all the PR managers of Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh are indebted to the efficiency as well as the affection of Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy. He has been very affectionate, and I still remember in such a way that when I joined as Director of Culture in Government of Andhra Pradesh, I had to take the charge from Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy. That was in 1991. Since then, I have become the follower and fan of Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy, and I treat him as Guru of Public Relations. Not only for me, for several people, not only in Telangana, not only in Andhra Pradesh, but in India, in our country, there are several students of PR who have been treating him as the Guru and treating him as the PR Bhishma. I take this opportunity once again to congratulate the organizers for having celebrated, for having taken the initiative in celebrating this 13th Public Relations Education Day in an effective way, remembering our friend, guide, philosopher, and a visionary, Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy. I pay tributes to Dr. C.V. Narasimha Reddy. I take this opportunity to compliment the organizers. Thank you very much.